This is an unboxing of a Skywatcher eyepiece, and I'm going to open it and look at how it is. Now we are seeing the package actually of the eyepiece, so I'm going to remove the rest of the wrapping. Okay, let me push this one out, and these are the two eyepieces that I was looking. Skywatcher 70-degree wide angle eyepiece 13mm, and a Skywatcher wide angle, super wide angle 17mm wide angle 2-inch. Okay, let's see what is inside the pack. Ooh, wow, big chunky. Oh, it looks very much like a Celestron Ultima LX. It's a 70-degree eyepiece, exactly like the Ultima. The look of it looks the same. Very interesting. Quite similar. Quite chunky, heavy. The 17mm eyepiece. Let me just remove it. And now remove the cap. That's the bottom cap also. Going to remove. Quite chunky. And these are the two eyepieces side by side. Uh, 13mm is bigger slightly. It's probably because it has a Smythe Barlow. The screws are missing here. They should have had two screws. Let me just see in the pack. It seems unfortunately the screws are missing, so I have to find a way to replace them. The eye lens is quite large. The eye guard can be twisted and put down or slightly higher. And this one also is twisty. Okay, now I'm putting the 70mm eyepiece into the Skywatcher ED80 Pro series and see how it will show. And that is how it looks like. A very clear image, beautiful. Bright and clear, crisp. And now let us do a test viewing in daylight with the 13mm. So I remove this and put the 13mm there. So this is the 13mm, and I'm going now to have a look. Crisp and beautiful images. If the camera can focus and show exactly what I see with the eye visually, you will see how crisp it is. Very wide angle. I can say 70mm is really good. Beautiful image. And that is the Skywatcher 30mm super wide angle, 70 degrees, fully multi-coated, modular, 1.25 and 2-inch eyepiece. I'm now using the 2-inch version, 2-inch focuser size. All in all, this two looks like a very good eyepiece. Probably I should try the 5mm or 7mm one if I find them. Very good eye relief, very clear image, sharp.